We are excited to showcase our learning and creativity based on the wonderful topic humanity.
Not put us to the test, but deliver some people. Chaos is the bar of the forever. The spirit of my Our play today is humanity. That humanity which we say. This is the wall of religion. This is the wall of wealth. This is the wall of caste. This is the wall of sex. Everyone is beautiful. Education has been made. Man or woman, religions are on today. Black, white. Is anyone there? Is anyone there? Someone save my child. Oh, mother, I'm there. Mama, please give me hand. Help me out. You people always say drama. You have to take the entire board. I will come. First lecture. This is first. So, we go with the level. Small inner level. Humanity, very, very, very. Will help you very, very. சரியாக நேரம் வரை காய்கறி நிறுவனம் எல்லாம் கற்பனைக்கு எட்டாவதுகளை செய்து முடியும். மனித நேயம் மனிதனுக்கு இருக்கும் வரை 6 மனிதன் சிறந்தமாக வாழ்க்கையை உயர்வு செய்ய போயிருவான். Soul of humanity. Love is the driving of the reaches out of all the challenge from fear and doubt. नीचे बोलकर मन का गीत गाओ तो भूखों के रोटी प्यासे को पानी. August 19, 1950 in Karnataka. She inspired many people by her wisdom and kindness. பசி என்று வந்தவர்களுக்கு வேறாரும் விட வேண்டும். தீமை செய்தவர்களுக்கு நன்மையே செய்ய வேண்டும்.
உயிர் விதை போல் கடவுள் என்றால் உயிர் விதை போல் கடவுள்.
India America was one of the father of Indian constitution. குழந்தைகளுக்கு எல்லாம் எழுதியது சொல்லுவாங்க.
எல்லாரும் செல்வம் என்றால் அது கல்வி செல்வம் தான். அத்தகைய செல்வத்தை இலவசமாக கொடுத்த காமராசரை பற்றி நான் இங்கு பேச வந்தேன். பகத்சிங் was a prominent freedom fighter in the independence of India.
Who was a social worker from a village called Vailankanni. Now let's listen to authentic speech presented by grade 7 Tika.
प्यार सहारा और दोस्ती आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल मैडम सभी शिक्षकों और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों.
Now let's remember that the world is one family when love and respect unite from our one world, one family. Rajasthan people is culture, but our entire country also like from our culture. Yes, our culture is actually the fusion of tradition and belief. Our nation's culture resides in the heart and soul of its people. We Indians celebrate many festivals here. As festivals spread happiness and anytime there is a special announcement for it all. Our school is organizing international students
I can see the campus around with colors, tubes, lightings and lamps.
This all the decoration is for us. It's magnificent. Third curve structure. Are they made by Miss India? I like to add one more point that Indians never take care of fellow beings. In Vasudeva Kutumbakam, which means the entire world is our family. Kindness was nothing but means everything. Now let's enjoy a choral recitation by grade 7B on the theme kindness.
Let's welcome her properly, okay?
Welcome Sangeeta, you like our class. And I have soul and culture like to people. Without my another is useless. Maybe you're right. Sangeeta, these drawings are amazing.
Thanks, my mom's night day. She taught me to express feelings right.
Thank you friends for your wonderful performance. Now over to Chinta. Share a powerful Tamil speech presented by great Sangeeta. இந்த உலகில் தனியாக யாரும் வாழ முடியாது. ஒருவருக்கொருவர் உதவி செய்து மனிதனே துணை இருந்தால்தான் இந்த உலகத்தில் வாழ முடியும்.
Please help me, my man.
Are you calling me?
No, I can go for my voice, but I don't know where the sound is coming. Let's see search. Help me, please. Anyone's here, help me.
Oh, you are Mr. Jack. Why are you being here?
Hey, girls, did you hear someone's voice?
Hey, see, this someone is waving his hands.
Hey, don't talk like this. Jack, it is not a begging it, it's a shaking it. There's somebody there. Please help me. Hey, stop. Someone is inside the bed. Let's help him.
And the things are changed பார்க்கும்போது really ஒரு இங்கிலீஷ் மாதிரி ஸ்கூல்ல போறதுல நல்ல யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கு and நல்ல கிட்ஸோட interaction with parents teachers எல்லாம் நல்லா இருக்கு so it's very good இந்த மெசேஜ் is very good humanity பத்தி கிட்ஸ் நல்ல ஒரு டாக் எடுத்து போயிருக்காங்க
So to avoid such addiction, definitely our children must be highly focused towards this humanity. So ultimately we have projected this concept in the right time. More than teachers, more than